Are you looking to stay young and boost your health naturally? Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of anti-aging with 3 wonder fruits you should be eating every day. Picture this: a handful of juicy blueberries, a ripe avocado, and a vibrant pomegranate, all packed with nutrients. These fruits are your secret weapons against aging, offering a plethora of health benefits. So get ready to revamp your diet, because we're about to reveal how these delicious fruits can help you achieve better health and a youthful glow. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are not to be underestimated. Bursting with antioxidants, they're particularly rich in anthocyanins, which are famed for their ability to combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. But that's not all. Blueberries are also renowned for their brain-boosting properties. They've been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, making them a brain-friendly food that's as delicious as it is nutritious. But let's not forget about the heart. These little berries offer substantial support for heart health, helping to keep this vital organ functioning at its best. And the icing on the cake? Blueberries can even enhance skin elasticity, contributing to a youthful, glowing complexion. So why not add a handful of these vibrant berries to your morning smoothie or stir them into your yogurt? It's a tasty way to give your health a substantial boost. Next, we have the creamy avocado. This amazing fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with monounsaturated fats, it's a heart-healthy choice that can help lower bad cholesterol levels when consumed in moderation. But the benefits of the avocado don't stop there. They're also brimming with vitamins E and C, both of which are essential for healthy skin. Vitamin E acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting your skin from oxidative damage that can lead to signs of aging. While vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Beyond skin health, the fiber content in avocados supports a healthy digestive system, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. So, whether you enjoy this luscious fruit spread on toast, whipped into a green smoothie, or mashed into your favorite guacamole, make sure to get your daily dose. Last but certainly not least, pomegranates. These vibrant fruits are a powerhouse of antioxidants, notably punicalagins, which are renowned for their potent anti-aging properties. In addition to this, pomegranates are also a great source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy and glowing skin. It's not just about the skin though. The benefits of pomegranates extend far beyond skin health. They have been shown to reduce inflammation, a common culprit behind many chronic diseases. And that's not all. Some studies suggest that pomegranates may enhance memory and cognitive function. Quite impressive for a single fruit, right? The best part about pomegranates is how easy they are to include in your diet. You can sprinkle the ruby red seeds over your salads, adding a burst of color and a crunch. Or if you prefer, sip on a refreshing glass of pomegranate juice. Either way, you're in for a treat. Now imagine combining these superfruits in a single meal. The blueberries, avocado, and pomegranates, each with their unique health benefits, come together to create a symphony of flavors and a powerhouse of nutrients. This isn't just food, it's a ticket to a healthier, more vibrant you. It's about embracing the natural wealth that nature has bestowed upon us. A salad, a smoothie, or even a bowl of mixed fruits, the possibilities are endless. A delicious and powerful way to fight aging and boost your health. Here's a quick recipe idea: a super anti-aging smoothie. Start off by taking a handful of fresh blueberries, half an avocado, and a splash of pomegranate juice. Add in a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient kick, and a ripe banana for a hint of natural sweetness. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only bursting with vibrant flavors, but also packs a punch with its health benefits. Simple, tasty, and packed with nutrients. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet is a small change that can lead to big health benefits. To recap, blueberries, avocados, and pomegranates are not only delicious, but they are also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help you maintain a youthful glow and improve your overall health. So why not give them a try? After all, the food we eat can have a profound impact on our well-being. Remember, the key to a youthful, vibrant life lies in what you eat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spreading the word helps us to keep the content coming and to reach more people with these valuable health tips. If you're not already part of our community, consider subscribing. We're always discovering new ways to stay fit and healthy naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video.